Welcome to an exciting tutorial on Windows 10 BitLocker. Get ready to unlock the power and security of BitLocker with me as your guide. In this incredible video, I'll be unveiling a treasure trove of knowledge, teaching you step by step on how to navigate and conquer the world of BitLocker. We kick things off by learning how to activate Windows 10 BitLocker, ensuring that your valuable data gets the protection it deserves. But that's just scratching the surface. I'll reveal not just one, but two amazing ways to unlock your BitLocker encrypted drives, granting you easy access to your data when you need it most. And here's where it gets even better. I'll show you how to lock your BitLocker drive without the hassle of restarting your Windows system. Say goodbye to inconvenience and hello to efficiency. But wait, there's more. We'll dive deep into the world of CMD commands and unleash their power to lock your drives with just a few keystrokes. And if you thought that was impressive, brace yourself for the ultimate hack. Discover the secrets of locking your drive with BitLocker using a BAT file. It's a game changer, folks. But we're not done yet. I'll crown your BitLocker mastery by revealing the secrets to unlocking BitLocker encrypted drives using CMD commands. Unlocking data has never been so thrilling. The drive on which I intend to activate BitLocker is Drive M. Now you can do this on any drive of your choice. If you want it to be activated for all your drives, you must activate this feature separately on each of your drives. Welcome to this training video on Windows 10 BitLocker. In this video, we'll be discussing how to use BitLocker to encrypt your hard drive and protect your data. First, let's start with the basics. BitLocker is a built-in encryption feature in Windows 10 that allows you to encrypt your hard drive to protect your data from unauthorized access. It's a great way to keep your sensitive information safe, especially if you are using a laptop or other portable device that could be lost or stolen. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you can easily set up BitLocker on your Windows 10 computer and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your data is protected. At the beginning of the work, type Manage BitLocker in the search bar of Windows 10. Because I want to lock the M drive, I click on this part. I choose the Turn on BitLocker option from the M drive menu, and you can choose any drive you want. In this section, there are two choices to lock the drive. The first option is to use a password. The second option is to use smart cards, which I prefer to use the password option. I enter the passwords in both boxes. In this wizard, you will be asked to specify a location to store your recovery key. The recovery key is the key that you can use when you forget your password. I emphasize that you must remember your password somewhere, because the possibility of forgetting your password will deprive you of access to your vital data. Now in this section, there are two encryption items. By choosing the first option, the used amount of the drive will be encrypted, and choosing the second option will encrypt the entire drive. As a result, the encryption operation will take a little longer compared to the first option, because your entire drive will be encrypted. You are investing, so be patient. Now choose one of the two options that are explained in the next frame. By pressing the Start button, the encryption operation will begin, and the significant point is that the duration of the operation will completely depend on the size of the drive and the information contained in it, and because I chose a small and relatively empty drive, the work was done quickly. After restarting, the lock symbol will appear on the drive. To unlock the drive, right-click on the locked drive and enter your password according to the image. Click on Unlock. By entering the password, the drive is unlocked and access to the files is possible. What should we do if we forget the password? Don't worry, the recovery key will help you at this moment. Recovery key contains 48-character password that we have to copy from inside the saved file. I mean these codes that you have to copy from inside the recovery file. Click on this button. As you can see in the video, I will paste the copied characters in this section and unlock the drive. When you need to leave your computer for a while, you may want to lock the open BitLocker drive to prevent unauthorized access. Or you just want to lock the BitLocker drive after usage. In the cases above, you can restart your computer to lock the BitLocker drive again, which is inconvenient and wastes time in some ways. At that time, it must be great that the BitLocker drive can be locked with some settings instead of restarting. And here are 4 ways to lock BitLocker drives without rebooting in Windows 10. In this video, I explain 2 methods, so if you want to teach me the next methods, please support this video with your likes and comments. To lock the BitLocker drive that was opened with a password, run the command line by typing cmd, then copy the command I put in the channel description and paste it in the cmd window. You enter your drive letter instead of M. The lock is applied by right-clicking and pressing Enter. To create a BAT file, first you need to enter the Windows settings according to the picture and uncheck the option, Hide extensions for known file types, then you can change the password of the text file from text to BAT. Copy this command that I put in the description and paste it in the Notepad program and select the Save As option and delete the text extension and enter BAT instead and specify a desired name for your file. Now you have created an executable file that you can easily lock your BitLocker drive by right-clicking on it and running it. In this part, I want to introduce you to opening the BitLocker drive through the command line, which was very exciting and attractive for me. So stay with me. Well, to unlock the drive through the command line of Windows 10, we run cmd according to the usual rule. You enter this command that I put in the description, and instead of the character M, you enter the letter of your desired drive that you activated the BitLocker. After entering the command, we wait for the password to be requested. Keep in mind that when entering your password, the characters you enter will not be displayed on the black screen and will be completely invisible. After seeing the success message, the lock will be unlocked.